and they gave a certificate, to my knowledge, that this ground is not fit for security reasons.
Did
for
they?
holding a rally of Mr. Modi
Show it.
for the simple reason
Is
that
that
on
so?
2nd of May, BJP spokesperson held a conference in Varanasi and said Mr. Modi's security is under threat and that Mr. Modi should be given adequate security while campaigning
Show
in
me the
Varanasi.
papers.
It's a
Show me the
judgment
papers.
call to be taken by
Show the
magistrate
papers.
and election
Meenakshi
commission.
Lekhi says what
Why
you're saying is
it
false.
That both these facts
She
are
says
being
what you're
hidden?
saying is
Why
false.
Ms. Lekhi and the Bharatiya Janata
Miss
Party
Lekhi,
today?
I heard her say that what you're saying about the claims that the Gujarat police had actually itself been the spanner in the works of Narendra Modi's rally. She said that's a patently false remark.
I'm saying it with a
Meenakshi
sense of
Lekhi.
responsibility and knowledge.
Well, I don't know. Where's the knowledge? Show me the papers. Show me the proof.
But I think this is what the returning officer also
Let Ms.
said.
Lekhi
I don't
deny
know.
that a person from Gujarat police was
am
not
denying
present
it.
when the security drill of
denying
this ground
it.
was conducted.
Miss Lekhi,
I am denying it. I am denying it outrightly,
Ms.
and
Lekhi,
all AILU
Ms. Lekhi,
meetings are
please
attended
understand,
by
whenever
people
a
of the
program
rank
is
of
held,
IG and
now
DG.
you will also deny
And,
the 2nd May press
Oh, I
conference
am
that
very
you held in
responsible.
Varanasi,
I am
where
very
you said,
responsible,
where
and I
you
do my
said
paperwork pretty
that
okay. I mean, I read the
that
papers
Mr.
and come.
Narendra Modi faces threat. You will deny the press conference of Mr. Arun Jaitley
No.
post Patna
You
blast,
can't
where he said Mr.
use the
Modi's
garb
security is
of
vulnerable. You will deny
security.
that BJP
Okay,
delegation went
if
to
he is
Home Ministry of
vulnerable,
Country and demanded SPG protection for him.
My question comes to you. My question comes to you back again. So you don't give him SPG protection, but you will prevent him from holding rallies in UP, whereas he can hold rallies wherever.
But Ms. Lekhi,
in his
you are a
own
lawyer, you should
constituency in
know
Varanasi,
SPG
he cannot hold a
protection
rally.
is
I mean,
given
what
to
kind of
those who are
democracy are we
SPG
talking about?
protectees.
You can't
And
give
I
a
did not
protection to a
stop Mr.
candidate
Modi from holding the
to
rally.
have
The
a rally
district
in his
magistrate
own
did,
constituency.
based on the
Is this the
localized
democracy we are
considerations
working
there.
in?
And the
I mean,
election commission
I think the
perhaps
central
conferred
government
with the
needs to be held
Director General of
responsible.
Police
It
and
is
Chief
this.
Secretary and took
It
an
is-
appropriate
it-
call.
Exactly.
Did you
Where
not
is the
take
Director General?
permission
Where
for
is
an
the
alternative
IG?
site?
Where are
Why
these
did you
people?
reject
What
it?
is their statement?
Only
What
to
kind
make
of security
political
arrangement
capital.
have they made if he cannot have a rally?
No, but
This
you
is
also
exactly
answer.
what the point
If you
is.
took permission
This
for
is
an
how you are
alternative
spreading
place,
lies,
why did
and you are
reject it?
partisan.
Only to
You
make
are
political
working with the
capital,
SP.
only to
You are
create an
working with
issue
the
out of
SP. It's very
non-issue.
evident.
I'm not partisan. I'm only
What?
pointing out
Not
the
to
fact
be able to
that this was a
campaign
call
in your
taken
own
by Election
constituency is a
Commission and
non-issue
district
in a
magistrate.
democratic
Why
country.
do you see red everywhere?
This is
Why does
against the
Mr.
freedom of
why does Mr.
expression and
Modi
freedom of
continue to
movement.
threaten
You
democratic
can't do that.
institutions? Is this the way that rule of law
I
is
will
going to be
threaten.
held?
If
Is
you
this the
stop
way
me
we're
from
going to run this
speaking,
country?
if you
So,
stop
Mr.
me from
Surjewala,
moving, I will threaten.
Mr.
Because that is
Surjewala,
my fundamental right.
Mr. Surjewala, 1 second. 1 second. Please, Mr. Surjewala, explain one thing to me.
Ms. Lekhi.
What is the law?
Mr. Surjewala, let's look at the Rahul Gandhi
Khan
example.
is given an NGO to unfurl the flag without even and exempted from making payment because you know very well the vouchers will have to be deposited in the bank.
No,
The
watch
date will
it.
show.
I
the time
want
will
to-
show.
Mr.
So to do away with that, you exempt the
gave
person from
permission
making
for an
payment,
alternative
and
ground.
that's it. The whole
And
thing.
why did Mr. Jaitley reject
That is
it?
manipulation of law.
Can you also answer that, please?
Gentlemen, 1
You
minute.
will continue to skirt and not answer.
Please, Mr. Randeep Surjewala,
I will
answer another thing.
You answer me.
Miss Lekhi, just a minute. Randeep Surjewala, please be fair tonight. Before I wrap this up, please tell us. Do you want the Election Commission to take suo motu action? Because I have a self-contradictory comment of the Chief Election Commissioner of India. The Chief Election Commissioner of India in the context of Rahul Gandhi. Some people will say, let there be an FIR against Rahul Gandhi now. The Chief Election Commissioner says, and I play those pictures.
Arnab?
No, Mr. Subramaniam, the Chief Election Commissioner says it is a matter of fact that Rahul Gandhi was seeing the EVM in a polling station. That is not a fake picture. It's a real picture. And then he says we will ask for a factual report, and as soon as it is received, further action will be taken. I don't understand. On the one side, Mr. Sampath says it is a fact, and then he says we will ask for a factual report. Mr. Subramaniam, should Mr. Surjewala not himself be
It's a
asking?
wait for a report in ordering FIR against Mr.
I will
Modi.
answer that, don't worry.
Mr. Subramaniam, Mr.
to
Subramaniam,
answer that.
Mr. Subramaniam
We
first.
forget that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a candidate from Amethi parliamentary
Arnab, I want one
No, no,
Arnab,
Mr.
candidate-
I want
Mr.
one
Subramaniam.
minute. I am not being allowed to come in now.
Mr. Subramaniam, please.
I am not being. I am being filibustered.
Mr. Subramaniam,
I
please.
am being filibustered.
Mr. Subramaniam, please, who
I
says
am
he's being
filibustered.
Mr. Subramaniam, please, allow Mr. Subramaniam in. Yes.
Arnab, I am being filibustered continuously. I want to make only 2 points. I also have having connections with UP. I also have my sources of information, and they tell me that there is no genuine reason, and the whole administration was in this way and that way. Probably they made up their mind. I don't want to make an accusation at this point of time. Till now, I have not heard a convincing reason why the rally was not allowed when so many rallies are allowed at so many other places and at the same place for other people, number one. And it is also important to note that I can understand the anger of Modi because so many people had said so many things. When Chidambaram and others say, if Modi becomes Prime Minister, there will be riots all over India. If that is not provocative, that does not get an FIR. Now, why should this particular thing, at least even without a notice, get an FIR? I am not supporting or opposing anybody. I believe that the Election Commission has mishandled it. I am not attributing motives. I think they have been highly ham-handed in doing whatever they are doing. They are doing an impulse, etc. We need to review the kinds of people that we have in the Election Commission.
Okay, I just want to make a clarification that notice which we
Mr.
spoke about to Rahul
Subramaniam,
Gandhi
but
is
you
not
must
on the
also
EVM issue.
remember It is the same election
Subramaniam.
commission that permitted
UP,
Mr. Modi to
Bihar
hold
and
hundreds of rallies.
UP, Bihar
It is the
and
same
West
election
Bengal,
commission
massive
that
rigging has happened,
pardoned
and
the
we have
remarks
even
of
given
Mr. Amit
the
Shah when
video
he said
footage.
Azamgarh is
We
a den
want
of
access.
terrorists. It is the same election commission which ignored Mr. Modi's remarks on 24th April, including his tweet when he said, I warn the election commission. He intimidates election commission. They hurl abuses at election commission.
Warning
They denigrate
is
election
legal.
commission. Is that the way? Mr. Subramaniam,
How
you've
have we
been cabinet
denigrated?
secretary,
I
sir.
respect not just election
I ask
commission,
for to your
but the
sense of reason.
Constitution of
Is
India,
that the
with which
way
even
that
election
we are going to
commission is bound?
treat democratically
It's the law of the land,
institutions
which everyone
enshrined
has to
with
be
the
bound.
task
And law of
of
the land is
conducting
supreme.
free and
Even
fair
for election commission,
I
law
can
of the land
disagree
is-
with election commission 100 times. But nobody can intimidate
I am not saying disagreement or
constitutional
agreement.
bodies.
I am
Nobody
saying
can
they are
denigrate
also
and
bound by the
humiliate.
law.
Nobody can hurt.
I am asking a very basic question, and Kiran Bedi, I'm coming to this to you before I wrap this up.
That BJP
1 minute,
Narendra
1 minute. Rahul Gandhi says that 22,000 people will be killed or something to that effect if Modi comes to power. Today the election commission serves a notice to Rahul Gandhi. How am I convinced the election commission is not suddenly doing a balancing act? Because it is on the back foot? Why was this not done earlier?
Of Amit Shah, they tried to do balancing act by clubbing it with Azam Khan's statement. Where was the need? The dates were different.
Why
instances
Mr.
were
Azam
different.
Khan was never permitted by election commission to come back.
No,
and
no,
campaign.
the election
Mr. Amit Shah
commission,
was.
the election
His apology
commission,
was accepted.
two different
And the
things.
next day he goes and does what?
it will be
He
a
said
sad
Azamgarh
day.
is a den of terrorists.
It will be a sad
What
day,
does
and
Mr.
Kiran
Modi
Bedi has the
say?
last word.
He
It will
says
be a sad day if the
anybody
election
who does
commission
not
has to be
believe
guided on how to carry out its
Kashmir
duties.
should go to Bangladesh.
Kiran Bedi.
What does Mr. Giriraj Singh
Kiran
say?
Bedi.
Anybody who disagrees with Mr. Modi should go to Pakistan.
Kiran Bedi.
Modi sits on a stage in Mumbai where Ramdas Kadam
Again,
makes
you are
communal
twisting Giriraj
statements
Singh's
and Mr.
statement.
Modi claps.
You are twisting.
Okay, I'm taking a break. I'm extending the debate. I'm back in a few
I'm not
minutes.
twisting.
The debate
Baba
continues.
Ramdev
Stay
made
with me. I'm back in a few minutes.